Hello, good morning. I'm Ellie Miriam and I'm the Closet Quilter. I am finishing up this beautiful elegant feather that I'm doing in the center of my tablecloth quilt. It is an elegant feather and it is truly elegant with this undulating spine that I've drawn with my Mark Be Gone marker. This is really helping me get that beautiful flow that I love. And after I'm done, I'll just spray and all this blue will go away and I'll just have a beautiful feather. But let's finish. This is where I left off, and I kind of decided where I'm going to go with this space. It's kind of all over the place, just taking up a lot of it. And then here I'll do some swirls and just to fill in. But this is really, really fun. So let's get to it. All right, I like to do one side at a time. So let's just lock down bring up our bobbin and then lock it down. Okay, let's go. All right, we're ready to finish this. Let's go.